Hi, my name is Amma. I'm currently a graduate engineer in the centralized background and saw at Unisem Berhad.
Hi, I am Cam Lee, currently a graduate engineer at Leader Department in Unisem Berhad.
Being part of this program has been really a great learning experience for me. Throughout my rotations, I have had the opportunity to work with different departments, gain hands-on experience, and develop my technical and soft skills.
A memorable experience for me was my first project. It really shaped my understanding of teamwork as well as critical thinking.
Of course, there were challenges along the way, such as adapting to different work environment and technical difficulties.
But overcome them helped me build confidence and resilience.
Overall, I am grateful for this program and the support from my mentors, colleagues, and the training team.
This program has been a great stepping stone for my career, and I would highly recommend it to future graduates looking for a well-rounded start in the industry.